Now that we've set up our web pages, we can then set up our abstract registration pages and registration pages. These options for administering these are below site page administration, abstract administration, and then registration administration. Before we go in to set up our registration pages, we need to first allow these pages and submission forms to appear on the web page. Halfway down this menu, we have an option for allow abstract and registration submission. Please click in here. As you can see, there is two tick boxes, one beside abstract and one beside registration. Depending on which one you want to allow or which one you want to use, please tick the box beside the ones that you want to use. I'm going to tick both so that we can explain both of them to you, and then click update. I'm going to quickly click over to the front end to show you how this will look. As you can see, we have our abstract submission page here. There's a fixed form document, some options for selecting on how to upload the document and what types of themes and tracks it may appear under. I'll show you how to set all these up now when we go in through it. And then the option to browse your computer to find the file. Abstracts can only be submitted in PDF format on our website. I'll click over to registration online. Again, this is another kind of fixed form document which asks for people's contact details. The registration fee, we have a number of registration fees set up here from previous conference training sessions. Below this we have accommodation details. This is where you can allow delegates to book accommodation directly through the website, although we only use this when using Corrib Village as accommodation for the conference. Below this again we have our social option events. We have a conference dinner, welcome reception, and you can allow delegates to book places for these depending on whether they want to go or not, and you can also apply a charge to these if you wish to break down the registration fee specifically for these events. Below this we have workshops, depending on whether you have a number of breakout sessions, you can allow people to choose which one may be most suitable to them. This can help you then coordinate your classrooms and programming of your event, depending on the number of people who wish to attend each workshop. Below this we have some extra comments and extra requirement sections. This is where people may input details if they have any special requirements in terms of accessibility to venues, and also catering requirements if they have any allergies. The total price of their conference registration will then be calculated into this text box here, and they can then submit it and make a credit card payment online. I'm going to click back over to the back end now, and I'm going to first start with abstract administration, which is below site page administration. In here we have view abstract database and view abstract database Excel spreadsheet. This is where you can view the abstract database online. As you can see, we have uploaded a number of documents in other previous training sessions. So you have the person's contact name, their abstract registration number, the title of their abstract, and then a link to their abstract. I'm going to click on this for a sample and click open to allow, which opens a PDF document as it's been uploaded in PDF. They all have to be uploaded in PDF. This is just a map of campus which we used for a sample. We click back over to the back end. Below view abstract database we have view abstract database Excel spreadsheet. This is where you can download an Excel spreadsheet of everybody who's submitted an abstract for your conference. There will also be a link to their abstract, so you can email this Excel spreadsheet to your colleagues to review each of these abstracts submitted. Below this, we have some options for setting up our registration page. We have abstract types. This is where we will set up the types of abstracts. Generally there are just two types, oral or poster board. Just type in the type of abstract which you want to have people submit under, oral, and then poster board. You can then also set up abstract tracks or themes. As you can see, I have two sample ones already in here, but to add in a new one, we add abstract tract, and then title in the theme, whichever it may be. Once we have done this, our abstract registration form will be complete.